Hi.
Hi, I'm Pascal. I'm leading our product management team for wireless connectivity. So come and let's have a look.
Panasonic.
Yes.
And Panasonic is doing a lot of stuff in the embedded world.
So let's have a look what we offer on the latest connectivity. Let's start with our newest offering on Matter. So not only the hardware based on the nRF54L15, so the latest chipset from Nordic Semiconductor. So we are doing a module especially targeted for those kind of Matter smart home applications. So with additional integrated flash memory, you have all the needed hardware requirements, but on top we're launching a service.
So it's a Panasonic chipset?
No, it's a chipset from our colleagues from Nordic Semiconductor.
Nordic, yeah.
And we are doing the module, so doing the complete RF design with worldwide certification, with flexible assembly options, targeted for Meta devices. Yeah? Right. On top, we will add like a service called PanMax, and this services will with this service we offer the injection of the DAC, so on the trusted device certificate in our production. So customers who want to develop like a Matter end product with Panasonic module, they will receive a fast track for their development.
So it adds a layer of security. What does it mean?
Yes, exactly. So Matter itself as a standard implemented this additional service.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. They implemented this additional security layer. So all devices need to authenticate themselves when they join a Matter network. And this we help our customers to realize and implement.
Is it already in many devices out there, or is it brand new?
It's starting. So the Matter standard was released already a couple of years ago, but you see more and more manufacturers and OEMs in the smart home area launching products. So we are working with many customers in very different applications, starting from thermostats, other HVAC applications already today, and expect the products in the next months hitting the market.
And you have many different things here to show. Let's go over there on this corner.
Yes, please.
You're talking about Wi-Fi 6.
So we see on the other side, on the Wi-Fi side, Wi-Fi 6 becoming the new standard. So a couple of years ago, Wi-Fi 6 was something which was in the future, but now we see Wi-Fi 6 as the standard for industrial applications.
So you're working with the Synaptics, NXP, TI to do
exactly. So this is our chip partners, and with those we are launching now a very wide range of portfolio, targeting low-cost application, very simple, only 2.4 gigahertz, and then ranging up with a 5 gigahertz solution also with full bandwidth and a reduced bandwidth for, let's say, more cost-sensitive application, and then full feature support.
And these are built in onto, you do like the boards, or what do you do with the implementations?
So we provide modules with integrated antenna and certifications for fast and implemented time to market.
Is it this?
Yes, there you go. So this is the TI-based one, the very new one. You see the small form factor. You see the integrated antenna as well. The module itself will be connected to host processors from, for example, NXP, TI, or ST Raspberry Pi via an STIO line.
Do you have the Synaptics one here?
Synaptics we don't showcase here, so just here on the slide.
Yeah, and so it's great to integrate the best Wi-Fi and to do the newest kind of solutions out of it. That's what you're doing, right? It's the latest best Wi-Fi implementation for the embedded industry.
Yeah, exactly. So we see Wi-Fi 6 becoming the standard for industrial application as first choice. because devices want to be future-proof, and there is no way for future-proof designs not to integrate Wi-Fi 6 at the moment.
And at the booth, there's many other things. Here's a thermal sensor.
Exactly.
People detection.
So what you can see here is our 8x8 thermopile grid eye sensor. So you receive like a 64 pixel feedback from the sensor. And one application use case is people counting. So you can identify and count how many people are where for different, let's say, applications. This is not only limited for people detection, but can be also used for stove guard applications, for example, as well.
And here's a next level motion sensing solution right there, maybe. Is it based on this? Is something in there, potentially? So I have a big group here with all these different, and later I'll check out maybe some batteries and energy harvesting. So it's a Panasonic is a big company, but there's a segment of Panasonic who work on the embedded.
Yes. So this is where we are here is Panasonic Industry. Yeah. So we are focusing on those three topics. Yeah. Powering, sensing, connecting. And at this booth, we're on the powering side, yeah, we're starting on where's the energy coming from, for example, in low power IoT applications like our Morton solar cells, going over the batteries. Looking on the sensing side, as said, thermopile sensors, PIR motion sensors, gyroscope and acceleration sensors, and on connectivity side, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, MetaThread.
This is a cool solar technology. Panasonic is one of the world leaders in solar technology, I guess. And this is some of the latest developments right here. Maybe you wanna talk about it a little bit. If I give you a microphone.
Yeah. Hi. My name is Robert. I'm the responsible product manager for amorphous silicon solar cells from Panasonic. So what you can see here is our entire product range. So basically, those solar cells, they can work indoors and outdoors.
So this and this, different things, different shapes?
Different things, different shapes. So this is basically a sample that can be used for wristwatch makers, if they want to integrate that into their
the whole face of the watch with the
yeah, underneath the dial basically it is used, or it can be also used, it can be also visible. It depends on the watchmaker how to do that. This is also.
Do you use any perovskite, or what is your technology?
So basically this is amorphous silicon solar cell that we know all from the pocket calculators. So, but step by step we have increased the efficiency, and they are market proven. So we don't have any longevity issues. And also now we come to a spot where we are talking about almost 9.5 microwatt per square centimeter. And the beauty of this product is it can be fully customized. Yeah? So we can make really things for our customers like this one. This is a fully customized solar cell that works. It's a hybrid cell that works indoors and outdoors. Yeah? And we can make transparent sections. Yeah?
What do you call it? What do you say?
Transparent sections can be generated, for
transparent.
example.
Okay.
Yeah, so for LED indicators, rounded edges, so it's fully customizable. So
and what's happening here?
Basically, this is a kind of demo where we just show the harvesting ability. This is the Forma family AM. It's an indoor cell, and this is now working as a kind of light sensor, because here you can see the lux level at the moment. It's around 500 lux, and it generates around half a milliwatt, yeah, under artificial light. Yeah.
And what it can run with half a milliwatt?
Basically sensors. We have like this one. This is an air quality sensor device. It depends also on the frequency cycle of your communication chip. Yeah. But basically, all autarkic sensors can be powered if you make it smart.
Even indoors?
Even indoors.
And what's happened with this design here?
This is our new cell. We call this hybrid cell. I would say this is a little bit more representative, and then you can really integrate that in a flexible way. So
this is plastic?
That's plastic, yes. That's plastic.
So no need for glass for it
No
to
need
work.
for glass. So if you have shock vibration issues, or if you want to integrate that on a helmet or on the clothes, you can do that.
That's going to be awesome. What's this one?
This is the current, the former outdoor cell, yeah. But we have a new outdoor cell, basically manufacturing process. So this looks rather like this, yeah, more bluish and also more efficient in terms of energy harvesting capabilities.
Is this in full mass production, all these solutions, or is
Yes.
it brand new?
No, this is in full mass production, and we have, to be very honest, 20 years plus experience, because energy harvesting just makes sense if the longevity is more than 10 years. If the longevity is just a couple of years, then I would recommend to use industrial batteries from Panasonic with a lifetime, primary batteries with a lifetime 10 years plus.
So all the way back from those calculators, Panasonic was involved
Yes,
doing the
yes, in the
solar
very
all the way
beginning.
back in the 80s.
Yeah, very beginning we were involved in that, but this is now more consumer-driven product. Now we are more into industrial sector, and also we're very strong in the wristwatch market. So all the big giants are using our solar cells, the flexible one, and this is then really crazy because those guys, you have to control the color to a certain extent, and you have to create crazy shapes, yeah, with the highest tolerance levels you can find in the market.
After 10 years, does it lose a little bit of efficiency every year? How does
Yes,
it work?
But it depends on the environment, to be very honest. Yeah. So if you're talking purely about artificial light indoors, it will lose, it will degrade. But this is, I would say, max 10%. Yeah.
What would be cool is if your watch, you could easily replace the solar cell after 5 years or something, and then just have full efficiency again if you want.
Yeah, but for wristwatches, for example, basically we do not.
Cool if you just replace this part and boom, it's brand new.
Yes, they do it when you refurbish your wristwatch, for example. Then they partly replace also the solar cell. But after 10 years, usually you can harvest enough power to power the wristwatch, for example.
Nice, because I'd like to have full of all these smartwatch functions work on this. Like all I want to have a lot of functions, even an e-ink display maybe somewhere also. Maybe the strap on the watch.
So e-ink displays, yes, you can power. It depends always on the size of the solar cell at the end. Yeah, how much energy? What is your energy consumption? What is the form factor? What is the dimension? Then we can double check whether this solution or this solar cell is a match with considering your application or not. Yeah?